Assalamu alaikum. This is Mr. Yusuf Omar, English teacher of grade 7. To all grade 7 students, boys and girls, I'd like to thank you all first for all your hard work. Your online participation is really remarkable. Now, based on your feedback and our observation, we are creating this video to further support and guide you on Edmodo website. Now I myself logged in as a student. So this is the home page you're all going to see first. How to start, where to go. Here under the upcoming section, you will find all your assignments. But do you start doing your assignments first? Of course not. You need to study. Where's the lesson? Where's the text? And where are the resources you need to study? Under My Classes, you click on your section. In this case, it's grade 7 BB. Now we click on Folders and scroll down to English 7. Here you have a folder with all the resources you need to study. Week 1. This folder contains a lesson plan, a presentation, and other resources like a soft copy of the text, the novel, the project, everything you need. Now, which one to start with? Number 1, lesson plan. The lesson plan will tell you what you're going to learn, what are the assignments you should do, and when you should submit them, the deadlines. This section, the lesson overview, shows you what you're going to learn. 1. Here you are expected to understand the meaning of new words. 2. You need to read the story to answer questions, so reading comprehension. And number 3, you need to learn about foreshadowing and suspense. Every skill of these has one assignment connected to it. You have 3 skills, you have 3 assignments. Every assignment has its resources, and has a number of points, and has a deadline. Let's take the first skill for example. After you learn about new words and you highlight the unfamiliar words, you need to create a poster using one of the words you highlighted, and you need to include a picture, a definition, a synonym, and an antonym. How are you going to submit your assignment? This is a question asked by many of you. Well, I am going to answer you later in this video. Let's go back to our folder and let's go to PDF number 2, which is the presentation or the lesson itself. Click on it. Our selection is Rikki Tikki Tavi. The pages you are supposed to read are from 78 till 92. Here you will find the same skills: the vocabulary, reading, comprehension, and foreshadowing and suspense. But how are you going to start? Here. With the vocabulary, you need, for example, you need to read from 78 till 92. You need to highlight all the unfamiliar words, the new words, the words that you don't understand. And in the assignment, as I have just explained, you need to create a poster. That's an example of a poster here. A word, a similar meaning, the opposite meaning, we call that synonym and antonym, and the definition and a picture. Let's move to part 2, listening and reading. Here, if you want to listen to an audio version of the story, just click on it. You'll be directed to an audio version.
Hello, this is Natasha, and His Royal Highness Prince Bertie the Frog has asked me to tell you the story of Rikki Tikki Tavi.
Alright, And if you want to read the story, then you should click on this link. There you go. This is a soft copy of the text. Simple and easy. Again, what's the assignment connected to this skill? It's right here. Read the story from, by the way, is the same as the one we mentioned. Read the story from page 78 till 85. You're going to see the same assignments everywhere. They are the same, so you don't have to be scared. There are only 3 to 4 assignments. Again, after you listen and read, you are supposed to find the main ideas of the pages, of the assigned pages from 78 till 85. So what is the main idea? You need to take a picture of your answers and post them. Again, I'm going to explain how to submit later. And finally, part 3, foreshadowing and suspense. Here, by clicking on this link, you will learn about foreshadowing. You'll be directed to an enjoyable video that's going to explain to you what is foreshadowing. Let's go and see the assignment. This is suspense. Again, by clicking on the links, you will learn about this skill. So what is the assignment? Assignment number 3 is the same as in the lesson plan, assignment number 3. So what does the assignment say? Here, you need to look for clues. The same pages, the same assigned pages, you need to look for clues that show you Rikki-Tikki-Tavi is going to win his ultimate battle. You need to go through the story and write down clues that foreshadow Rikki-Tikki-Tavi ultimate victory. Now let's go back to our week 1 folder. Here you can see the rest of the resources. You have a soft copy of the text, you have the project, and a soft copy of the novel, the BFG. On the right side, you have a very important section. It's the upcoming section. This is where you are supposed to submit your assignments. You will view your assignments and submit them. How to view them? If you want to view all of them, you click on More. Because you have 6 more assignments, they are hidden. Click on More to view them. English assignments will be named English. Other than that, it's not English. See, here, solving one-step equation, this is not English. Alright, let's go back to our English assignments. Let's take, for example, vocabulary. Same instructions that we read in the lesson plan. Same instructions. We read them also in the presentation. Here. And you will be reminded in the upcoming section. How to submit. How to create. In this case, how to create a poster. You need to click on the assignment. Click Open Assignment. Here you are asked to create a poster, then create. Simple. What do you have to use? A PowerPoint presentation. You'll be directed to a PowerPoint page. You are very familiar with this page. So simple and easy. You create your poster, or you do your project, whatever the assignment says, and you click Turn In. After that, you click Turn In Assignment. That's how your assignment will go into my inbox. Now, if you face some problems, difficulties, you do not understand the lesson, you do not know a step from what I just explained, anything you need. Anything you need. Do not hesitate. Do not wait. Go directly to messages and send me a message. You click right here, then write my name or your teacher's name, and you tell me in the text box here what problem you're facing, and I'm going to answer you. One last thing, on the home page, please try to avoid posting as much as you can. This is for the teachers, for the supervisors, for the admins. If you want to submit, again, if you want to submit your assignments in the upcoming section only. If you have problems or you need any help, you can send a message directly to the teacher, and he will definitely answer you. And if you want to go to the resources, again, it's under My Classes. Grade 7, you go to the folders, and there you find your resources. Well, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video, and inshallah I am going to upload a new video to help you with next week assignments. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.